Okay, hello and good day to everyone. Now, in this video, we will be discussing peripherals. What is peripheral? Peripheral devices are hardware components that are connected to a computer and expand its capabilities. They are commonly divided into three categories. We have the input devices, the output devices, and the storage devices. Okay, for computers to perform its basic functions, we need the following. We need computer case, we need also the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. But do you know that to maximize its use, you can still plug many different types of devices into the extra ports on your computer. So these devices are called peripherals. These peripherals can be categorized into three groups. We have input device, output device, and storage device. Okay, now let's start with input device. What is input device? It are devices which allows the user to send data to the computer. And I will give you an example. We have the first one is keyboard. So keyboard is a device consists of numbers, letters, symbols, and other keys. Users must tap these keys to enter the data or command into the computer. The next one is mouse. Mouse is a device which helps users to navigate and control the cursor in the computer. With the use of mouse, you will be able to open an application or send a command to the computer. Number three is touch screen. It refers to a screen that is sensitive to a touch of a finger or stylus. And the next one is scanners. Scanners are devices which are capable of converting letters, images, or codes into a form of data that the computer can process. Next, number five, we have microphones. Microphones are devices which convert sounds into signals for the computer to process. The next one is what we call the OCR or optical character reader. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. It is designed to convert the scanned images of handwritten, typed, or printed text into digital text. Number seven is OMR. It is optical mark reader. OMR is an input device used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is especially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having MCQ or what we call the multiple choice questions. Next, number 8 is MICR. MICR is a magnetic ink character reader. MICR input device is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. Next one, number 9 is barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading a barcoded data. It is used in labeling goods, numbering books, etc. Again, we have the following input devices. We have keyboard, scanner, trackball, MICR, touchpad, touch panel, joystick, barcode reader, mouse, OCR, and so on. The next one group of peripherals is what we call the output devices. Output devices, it refers to any piece of computer hardware that displays results after the computer has processed the input data that has been entered. Number one example is monitors. Processed data were shown in visual form. Number two, projectors. Just like in monitors, the output is also shown in visual form, but it may be in a wider screen. And the next one is printers. It keeps a printed copy of the processed data. It is used to generate hard copy and print any document, and it used to print text and photos. And the next one, number four, is speakers. The processed data is in audio form. And the next one is what we call the storage device. So this is the third group of peripherals. Storage devices are those which are capable of storing processed data for future use like flash drives. We have, for an example, we have the hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD or DVD, floppy disk, memory card, pen drive, and tape. We have another example of computer storage or memory devices. We have memory card reader, USB flash memory, external optical drives, media devices, zip drives, and many more. Just to recall, softwares are instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Therefore, one will not function well without the other. Let us look at this given example. Let us say you will be doing a letter. To illustrate how the computer will function, okay, we have this table. On the first one, or the first column, we have the input device, which is this is the hardware. We need the keyboard and mouse. And to process, we need the software. We're going to use the word processing software. Example is MS Word. And for the output device, which is the hardware of the computer, we need printer. And for the storage, to store the data, to store the file, we're going to use flash drive. So this is one of the example how the computer will function. As you can see, without the software that will process the raw data encoded using the input device, there will be no output. From here, you can see how important is the role of each. In a desktop computer, it is also important to understand the different ports that are found at the back of its system unit. And for our next lesson, we will going to study about the different parts of computer. Okay, and that's all for now. And thank you for watching. For more videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is my YouTube channel, Matish. Thank you.